Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a 1969 Camaro Z28 here. I just acquired this car from the person I sold it to 17 years ago. He's owned it all this time, just seldom used the car. It's a factory LeMans blue X77 code, 302 DZ, gauges, console, rosewood wheel, full cowl induction systems. Got a lot going for it. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the specs, study pictures top to bottom. That's where you find the prices on all of the collector cars we offer for sale. volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. The last two Z28s we recently sold, one brought 100 grand, the other one brought 103,000. If you look up auction results, they're constantly hitting $100,000 mark for a 69 Z28. This is not a $100,000 car. It's a very well restored car with a lot to offer, but it's not nut and bolt disassembled, roll in and roll out of a trailer, but it'll be far less than $100,000. Underneath the car, just like I said, it's not all detailed and pretty and shiny, but it's rock solid, nice clean floors. It has a new exhaust system. Looks like the front springs and shocks are replaced. The rear leaf springs and bushings and shocks are replaced. So they've kept up with the maintenance. Bottom of the motor is clean, has a Muncie 4-speed. It's dated 1968, so it's period correct, but not the original one to the car. The body is in real nice shape. It's code 7171, which means the LeMans blue lower and upper, no vinyl top. Really sharp looking paint. This paint was on there when I sold it to him, so it's held up all those years. There shouldn't be any surprises popping through. But with that said, it's not pristine. The body's smooth all along the bottom. There's no rust blistering. The fenders are clean metal. The quarter panels, if they were replaced at factory seams because I didn't see where they were just cut off. So the body is really clean metal. But 17 years ago, they weren't going to the extent that they are now to make them over the top. So I'm not going to say it's wavy, but it's not absolutely pristine straight. You'll get a little ripple, which I'm not even seeing now, and I'm thinking I probably shouldn't have even said that. I think maybe on the other side there's a few little ripples. It has the exterior trim package, which is the rain gutters, the louvers, and the wheel well moldings. The roof is real nice, the quarter panel's real nice. The metal flake is all laid out real nice and even, and it's got a really glossy clear coat finish. The stripes, you can't barely feel them. It's got spoilers front and back. All Z28s had bumper guards because the 15-inch wheels raised the car up and it brought the bumper up higher than regulation, so they had to put the bumper guards on. It has 1969 license plates. A couple little scuffs in the bumper. Actually, they're raindrops. They just washed off or wiped off. But right here, there's something going on. Just some minor pimpling right in this area right here. There is one little door dent that I'm sure a dent guy can take out, assuming he can get to it. And there's a nick touched up right there. But this side is actually very straight, so I'm sitting there saying the car's not straight. And inside here, I don't see it. Windshield's nice and clear. I said cowl induction, and it's got the complete system, not just a hood. The grill, the bumper, spoiler, lenses, everything up here is really nice. Yeah, the 302 DZ motor is legendary. They're rated at 290 horsepower, but anywhere you read says they could be pushing 400 horsepower. It's a strong running little car. We checked the casting number on the back is correct, the casting date. The stamp on the front here is DZ. The date matches the car. And then there's a VIN number stamped down by the oil filter that matches the car. So best we can tell, it is matching numbers. Looks like it has an MSD distributor, has a correct aluminum high-rise intake, the correct finned valve covers, deep groove pulleys. Z28s had deep groove pulleys because they rev so high, you didn't want the belts flying off. Inside the trunk, all solid, clean metal. It's been spatter painted. It has a reproduction mat, a car cover, a nice one. Weather strips nice. So all this is respectable. There's like some stains right there. This is not pristine in the jam, but it's painted blue and it looks nice. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just not at that $100,000 level that I was talking about. Interior is actually very nice. Carpet's real good. It's got reproduction rubber mats. Center console's real nice. Has the factory gauge package there, and all the trim's real nice. The dash pad was replaced. The instrument bezels, gauges, heater control panel, all that's in really nice shape. Nothing's drilled or broken. It has an original AM radio. Has quartz movement in the clock. It has the 8 grand tachometer. It also has a Rosewood Deluxe steering wheel. The clutch fan looks new. The shroud is proper. Plug wires are run nicely. It has a new, I don't know if that's a horn relay or what, but new relay up there. Power disc brakes, manual steering. A lot of the Z28s were manual steering. New upper control arm bushings. Well, I shouldn't say new, but they look fresh. They might have been done 10 years ago, but no one's driven the car. Spring clamp battery cables. So not detailed in here, but it's respectable and proper. Weather strips are in real good shape. Seat upholstery, they've been redone. Headliner's real nice. There's one little tear right next to the dome light. No one's going to notice. It's got nice visors, Hurst shifter. So why don't we fire this puppy up? Interior lights are working. Gauges light up real nice. Heater control panel lights up. I tell you what, Z28 has a distinct sound, and that's it right there. I was at a high idle doing what it's supposed to do until it warms up. And you can hear it, how it just sounds awesome. So you got a really good Z28 here, lots of very desirable colors and features and options. And you don't have to pay $100 grand to still get a really good 69Z. That's my impression of this car. You can go to volocars.com and read all the specs and pictures, and that's where you can find plenty of ways to contact the salesman. They can answer questions or concerns you might have. They can also help get this delivered anywhere in the world and help you get financing too. And if you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.